Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Litetronics LED Flat Panel.
Here are the tools you'll need to complete the project. First, turn off the power. Prepare the flat panel for installation by bending the grid clips up and out into the hook position. Raise the panel up into the ceiling, then lower it until the frame rests on the T-grid. To begin wiring, remove the splice box cover from the driver. Then select and remove one knockout. The removable driver can be positioned for comfort during this process. Connect the driver power, ground, and dimming lines, if applicable, to incoming wires. To mount the driver to the panel, hold it at a slight angle and slide the two tabs into the raised slots on the panel. Once the tabs are seated, press the driver down into position. This will dock the connector to the panel. Secure the driver by rotating the lever until it locks into the panel slot. Restore the power and your installation is complete. I hope you found this video helpful. You're now ready to enjoy dependable LED light with dramatic energy savings. To try our product out for yourself, simply request a free 60-day trial at litetronics.com/free trial.